Every customer wants their clothes fresh, clean, and on time. But behind the counter of your laundry business, it's a different story. Paper notes get lost, phones won't stop ringing, and customers keep asking, "Is my order ready yet?" It feels like you're always running to catch up. That's why we built WashTrack, the all-in-one app that keeps your orders, staff, and payments in one place. No more scattered notes or endless calls. Just a clear dashboard where you can track everything in real time. With WashTrack, you record and track orders without paper. Know exactly how much you made today. Organize staff and deliveries with ease. Keep customers happy with instant updates. And you finally get the space to grow your business without the daily stress. Make your laundry business run smarter with WashTrack. Download today and get your free account to see the difference.